my channel. So today we're doing an unboxing, this is going up on Saturday or Sunday, I haven't decided yet, but I bought these at the same time as, come on, I bought these at the same time as the Tame Impala record, but that one, because it's a brand new album coming out, I thought I'd, do a first impressions video. Anyway, so there's 3 records, they were on sale. We're going to start with this one because it's on top. We have Florence and the Machine's Lungs. This is, well, it's a childhood album for me. I used to be really, I love the artwork, but I used to be really enamored with this woman back in the day. And there's a TV show called Revenge, and the climax at the end of season 1 used one of her songs. It was Devil in My Heart or something like that. And that's how I got into her. And Revenge is a great TV show if you didn't know. Come on. Usually I take the price stickers off because I don't like people judging me about how much money I spend on. Ooh, it's pretty. I don't like people judging me how much money I spend on these things. But, oh. Again, I was saying in the Tame Impala video, I like it when, artists take pride in their vinyl releases. As in, this is like, it's got a gatefold. A lot of albums just don't come with a gatefold. But, because it's obviously extra artwork and it costs more to make. But this is beautiful. This is gonna be great. So, next up, another childhood album for me. The Killers, Hot Fuss? Hot Fuss. With Mr. Brightside, amazing. Somebody Told Me, fantastic. And that's the only 2 songs I know off this album. But The Killers have a ton of great songs. I can't open it. I don't have the scissors up here. You might have to. Oh, there we go. And I cut my nails as well, so they're not sharp enough. Oh. That's nice. Nice white and red. Pardon me. Lastly, we have, come on, there's a mess in here. Lord's Melodrama. Is it Melodrama? I think so. Yeah. Which I got into Lord because of South Park. Randy Marsh is obviously Lord. This is Randy Marsh's album. But just that joke, I thought I'd listen to Lord after watching that season and just, I do like her music. I can't open it. Really tight, this one. Jesus Christ, sometimes they get wrapped so tight that you can't pull it off without bending. I don't want to bend the sleeve. Got it. Could do ASMR. Look at it right now. Come on, out you come. Out you come. Please, I don't want to bend it. Go on. Boom. Ooh. See, it's like I was saying, this. It's really pretty. And it's just, it's just art that they add in. Lord is pretty anyway, but Lord is a 40-year-old man who's a geologist. So yeah, those are the albums I picked up. So when I buy new albums, they get added to the back of the list for the vinyl reviews. I've just filmed the Linkin Park's first one, Hybrid Theory, and so these will be sometime later in the year probably. But I just wanted to add in that I really appreciate you watching these videos, and I would love it if you subscribe for more. But when you sit and watch me talk about music, it really helps me in my daily life, because life isn't great at the moment, but I can come on here and just talk about music with people who like music as much as I do. And it's just, such a great thing. And it really means a lot to me. So thank you. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you again in the next episode video. Take care, everyone.